This very weekend marks 62 years of marriage for my Nana and Papa. When Lauren and I booked this venue, we thought it was special and there was a sense of warmth. Little did we know that my Nana and Papa were doing exactly the same thing as us, in exactly the same place as us, but back in 1963. Maybe that's why it felt so special.
For those of you who have known Lauren most of her life, you will know that she evolved from Lolly Besser. She is now Lauren Besser, the entrepreneur building up her empire and going from strength to strength. I don't know if you know where Austin and Lauren met, but we have the Maccabee Games to thank for that. They were both travelling to Israel playing football and met on El Al, which is a wonderful story, and here we are now 7 years later.
So my story with Austin begins almost 10 years ago, where we made our London Lions debut together. From then on, we were like two peas in a pod. Austin, you are my best mate turned brother. You've got a heart as big as your golf swing. Lauren brings the madness, you bring the calm. We and everyone here wish you the absolute best in this new chapter and a lifetime of trying to remember the names of all 285 of her cousins.
Lauren, you're one in a million. To know you is to love you. You light up every room you walk into. And I can't explain it, but that smile, the one I can see right now, that cheeky, beautiful smile, fills me with an unbelievable happiness that I can't quite describe. I found myself going from playing at the Emirates to playing at Rowley Lane for Lions, and subsequently travelling to Israel to represent Great Britain at the Maccabee Games. Little did I know that on that very plane, exactly one row behind me, would be you. I went there trying to win gold, settled for silver, but came home with something so much more valuable. You. I always believed that playing football would set me up for the rest of my life. Turns out, I was right.